on the Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady. This is our room. It is a midship veranda room with an unobstructed view. As you enter, you can see the bed, and there is storage underneath the bed, so it is raised up that you can put your bags underneath all the way. Coming in from this side, going all the way across. They don't really have nightstands. They have that little tray thing that you can use on the bed and the light in on there. Let's take a look. There's the TV and a full-length mirror. Looking at the closet side, there really isn't that much storage. You have this area at the top, some open space down there where you can put some bags and other stuff, and this little shelf with these two boxes. Opening into this area where you can see the shelves, you got your life vest at the top, hair dryer, safe, and then a handful of drawers that pull out and some space at the bottom. There's another mirror here on the closet door. Let's take a look at the bathroom. The bathroom is a good size. You have your toilet right here by the door. There's 2 toilet rolls, and you have extra paper. They have some makeup removal wipes if you need those. The mirror is well lit. And then in the shower, you can see they have the bottles with the hair wash, conditioner and body wash. There's a little hand wand on the shower, a rain shower head, and coming in on this side you can see there's a little clothesline that you can also use in the shower to hang any wet clothes. So we move out to the rest of the room. Again, here's this bed. This is a king size bed, I believe. And they do have an option where you can turn it into a day bed. You have the desk that has that little stool and a mirror that's backlit. Then this is the other side of the bed, so there's no nightstand or anything because they do have that day bed option. And there's this little thing that you can use when you lay in bed to put your stuff over. And then there's this tablet. So this tablet controls pretty much everything in the room. So you can see the curtains, you can see the TV, lights. So if we hit that button to turn the TV on, that has full control of the TV, which is pretty cool. The desk itself is not very big. There's not really a whole lot of space. It wouldn't be that easy to use with the laptop. And then you have a small little storage cubby and a little refrigerator in there. Again, nothing too big. They do have these cups with water that will be resupplied throughout the cruise. And as far as seating, it is pretty limited within the room because you only really have this chair and then that little stool from the table. Heading out onto the balcony or the veranda, you can see you have these 2 chairs, little table, and then this is what Virgin are really known for. They have these hammocks on the balcony, which I have not seen on any other cruise lines. The balcony size is comparable to other ships. Then looking over, we're still in port in Miami, but this is our view. Again, we are on room 9210Z, and this is a midship unobstructed balcony. So you can see they have the sitting area that's just a little below. So this area of the ship is wider, and then the area with the balconies is narrower. So you're sitting where you can see those areas below. Looking back into the room from the balcony, you have this view. The room does feel spacious, but I think that's more just because there really isn't a whole lot of the storage options like the nightstands and that you would see on other ships. They also, aside from the tablet, do have light switches and controls. So for example, if I hit that button, we come back, you can see it will close the drapes of the curtains. And same thing for opening it. It can be controlled from these buttons or the tablet. The tablet, when you get on board, it will automatically come up with a safety video. After you've watched that, you have full control. And to put it on charge, they have this little docking station that it will dock on like that. And that's the room on the Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady. Again, we are on deck 9, room 9210Z, which is an unobstructed veranda room in the midship area.